Right, so today I'm in the Lake District, just sitting in this little pool here, about to jump into that waterfall there. So I'm going to fill up my wetsuit here, climatise to the cold, and then there's a boulder which you can dive underneath and swim under, so it should be pretty cool. Right, I'm going to get my gloves on because the water's still pretty cold. This is a mountain stream after all. That's my wetsuit dipped and filling up with water, so now I just need to wait for that to warm up and then I can start swimming. So this is the waterfall and the boulder's right here. Right, it's really starting to get cold now for me, so I'm going to have one last attempt at this boulder swim. The issue for me is my wetsuit is really buoyant and the force of water keeps bringing me back up. I can't even speak properly, I'm that cold. Right, I've got an idea. Right, what I'm about to try, don't try at home, kids. That was it. That was it. Tell me that was recording.